To plug into earth energy, your feet are splayed to drop the tailbone. Palms to the ground, breathe into the soles of the feet, the tailbone, and the palms of the hands. To open the flow of earth energy, start with the feet shoulder width apart and the arms raised, hands, palms face down. Inhale, the arms and hands move up to face level. Exhale, arms and hands move down to thigh level. To plug into the universe energy, your arms are raised with fingers spread and breathe into the crown. To open the flow of the universe, start with the feet shoulder width apart and the arms down, palms facing forward in surrender hands. Inhale the hands straight up with fingers spread. Exhale the hands down, fingers facing each other and down the front of the body and back to the start position of surrender hands. To plug into nature, form triangle fingers with the index fingers and thumbs touching, forming a triangle in front of the third eye. Breathe into the third eye. To open the flow of nature, start with the feet shoulder width apart and the arms down, palms facing forward in surrender hands. Inhale the arms up as if embracing the full moon, with fingers pointed at the third eye. Exhale hands down, the center line of the body, to the start position. To connect to the energy of the mystery of life, start with the hands spread at the heart like a lotus flower and breathe into the lotus heart jewel. To open the energy of the mystery of life, start with the hands palm down at the waist. Imagine you are standing waist deep in a warm body of water. Inhale the hands out as if parting the water. Exhale and spiral the hands at the waist. Then inhale the backs of the hands up to the heart level. Then exhale and then inhale. Bring the hands up to the heart and pinky fingers pointed at the lotus heart jewel. Exhale the hands down to the start position.